Namaste. Welcome back to the Ayurveda Bharati Bhaishajya Kalpana classes by Dr. Nayana Hegde. In this video, we are going to study second part of the third syllabus point. What was the third syllabus point? The name of the syllabus point which we studied in the previous video. The part 1 we have already studied. The second part we are going to study now. What is the name of the topic? Study of ancient and contemporary systems of Mana. So, what are the contents we are going to study in the class? Today's class. The contents are Kalinga Pautavamana, Druvayamana, Payamana, Kalamana, contemporary systems of Mana, imperial system, metric system. Kalinga Pautavamana. The reference is Charangadhara, Prathama Khanda, first chapter 39 to 42nd shloka. So, Magadhiya Pautavamana we have studied in the previous video. Kalinga Pautavamana is accepted by Sushruta. It is little inferior compared to Magadhamana. Magadat Uttaram they have given. Then this is followed in Kalinga Desha, and these measurements are small. So, what is the measurement they have given here? Here, the basic unit they have considered is Sarshapa, Gaura Sarshapa. 12 Gaura Sarshapa is equal to 1 Yava. 2 Yava is equal to 1 Gunja. The metric equivalent is 125 mg. 3 Gunja is equal to 1 Valla. Metric equivalent is 375 mg. 8 Gunja is equal to 1 Masha. That is 1000 mg or 1 gram. 4 Masha is equal to 1 Shana is equal to 4 grams. 6 Masha is equal to 1 Gadyana is equal to 6 grams. For the 6 grams, in the Magadhamana, what we have studied, we have to remember now, that is 1 Kola. Next, 10 Masha is equal to 1 Karsha. Metric equivalent is 10 grams. In the Magadhamana, 1 Karsha is 12 grams. 4 Karsha is equal to 1 Pala. Metric equivalent is 40 grams. In the Magadhamana, 1 Pala is 48 grams. 4 Pala is equal to 1 Kudava. Metric equivalent is 160 grams. In the Magadhamana, 1 Kudava is equal to 192 grams. So, this much unit they have given in the Kalingamana. Later, the Charangadhara has given the units after the Kudavamana are same as that of Magadhamana. The Pautava, Kalinga Pautavamana after the Kudava is same as that of Magadha Pautavamana. So, this is the easy to remember Kalinga Pautavamana. Next is Druvayamana. Druvayamana, it is also called as Saralamana. This is the measurement used to express the capacity or the volume of liquid. The smallest unit in the Druvayamana is Bindu. The smallest unit is here in the Druvayamana is Bindu. What is Bindu then? For that, Charangadhara has given a reference in Nasya Adhyaya. In the Uttarakhanda, not Uttarakhanda, in the Uttarakhanda of Charangadhara Samhita, in that Nasya Adhyaya, Acharya has given what is Bindu. We'll go through the shloka, that is Snehe Granti Dvayam Yavat Nimagna Chodata Tataha Tarjaniyam Travet Binduhu Sa Matra Bindu Sannita. So Tarjani finger. Tarjani is index finger. So according to Nastya Adhyaya of Sharangadhara, Bindu is defined as quantity of sneha that falls soon after lifting the Tarjani Anguli, that is index finger, which is immersed up to two joints, first phalangeal joint, second phalangeal joint, in the sneha. So what is Bindu? Bindu is defined as sneha dravya which falls soon after lifting the Tarjani, which is immersed up to two phalangeal joints in the sneha. Okay, so the quantity of sneha which falls immediately after lifting the index finger, which was previously immersed in the sneha up to two phalangeal joints. So Bindu, we understood, it is the smallest unit in the Druvaya Mana. There are only few references which are available for the Druvaya Mana in our classics or Shastras. What are they? They are 8 Bindu is equal to 1 Shana. Shana we have studied in the Magadha Mana, that is touchstone. 32 Bindu is equal to 1 Shukti, oyster shell. 64 Bindu is equal to Pani Shukti, 1 handful. Okay. So 8, 32, 64. 8 is 1 Shana, 32 is 1 Shukti, 64 is 1 Pani Shukti. Next measuring vessel they have given, that is Kudava Patra. Kudava Patra, Kudava Patra, a vessel measuring 4 angula in Vistirna. Means 4 angula in length, 4 angula in the depth, 4 angula in the breadth. So the reference is Mrid Vriksha Venu Lohadehe Bandam Yat Chaturangulam Vistirnam Cha Tatocham Cha Tanmanam Kudavam Vade. So Kudava Patra is a vessel made up of mrid, mud, vriksha, tree trunk or stem, venu, bamboo, lohadehe or any metal, and which has the measurement of 4 angula dimension, that is 4 angula length, 4 angula width, 4 angula depth. Okay, so that is Kudava Patra. Next is Payamana. Payamana, the measures which are used to denote the length or the distance of the substance. So 1 angula is basic unit here. The 1 angula is basic unit. So what is angula? According to Vachaspati or Amarakosha, Ashtayava Parimanam iti Amaratikayam Vachaspatihi. Means 1 angula is the distance or the length of 8 yava which are kept together one next to the other. The length of 8 yava kept together one next to 8 other. Okay, it is the length of 8 yava kept together one next to the other. Can be taken as a transverse measurement of middle phalanx of the middle finger. It is the transverse measurement of the middle phalanx of the middle finger, middle finger, middle phalanx. There is a one more same shloka with the same meaning, that is Ashta Sankhya Yava Udara Parimane Yavodaraihi Angulam Ashta Sankhya iti. The meaning is the length of 8 yavas kept together one next to the other. This is about Payamana. So we understood one Yavodara is 1/8 of the Angula. One Angula is distance of 8 yavas placed one after the other. The metric equivalent what we can take is 3/4 of an inch. One Vitasti is equal to 12 Angula. Metric equivalent is 9 inches. In the distance also they have given they have defined what is Vitasti. That is the distance between the tips of stretched thumb and little finger. Distance between the tips of stretched thumb and little finger. This is Vitasti. Vitasti is 12 angula, 9 inches. Distance between the tips of stretched thumb and little finger. Next is Aratni, 22 angula, 16.5 inches. Distance between the tip of the little finger and elbow joint. Distance between the tip of the little finger and elbow joint. Okay. So this is one Aratni. One Aratni is 22 angula, 16.5 inches. Distance between the tip of the little finger to the elbow joint. Next is Hasta. Hasta is distance between the tip of the middle finger to the elbow joint. In the Angula Pramana, it is 24 angula. In the metric equivalent, it is 18 inch. So, one Hasta is 24 angula, 18 inch. Distance between the tip of the middle finger to the elbow joint. Next is Rajahasta, 27 angula, 22 inches. Distance between the tip of the middle finger to the elbow joint of Raja or king. Next is one Yama. One Yama is 4 hasta or 72 inches. 18 into 4, 72 inches. Distance between the tips of middle finger on both stretched hands. Here one image we can see, that is the person who is holding the the person with the stretched hand. The distance between the tip of the middle finger on both stretched hands. So here in the Payamana, what we have studied, what is the meaning of Angula, what is Angula, how much is Angula? Angula is 3/4 of an inch. Then one Vitasti, that is 9 inch. Distance between the tips of stretched little finger and thumb. One Aratni, that is distance between the tip of the little finger to the elbow joint, 22 angula, 16.5 inch. Next is one Hasta, 24 angula, 18 inch. Distance between the tip of the middle finger to the elbow joint. One Rajahasta, 27 angula, 22 inches. Distance between the tip of the middle finger to the elbow joint of Raja. Next is one Vyama. Vyama, that is equal to 4 hasta, 72 inches. Distance between the tips of the middle fingers of both the stretched hands. So here we studied Druvayamana and Payamana. How to remember Druvayamana terminology and the Payamana. Druvayamana, which is used for the drava. Payamana is used where pair is used to travel or to complete a length or distance. We use foot, right? So, or you can remember this way also, where the something which is expressed as a feet, distance is expressed as a feet, right? Or the length is expressed as a feet. So, you can remember feet, payamana, drava, druvayamana. Druvayamana for the liquid, payamana for the length or the distance. Next one is kalamana. Kalamana is a measurement used to express the time. The basic unit is nimesha or unmesha. Nimesha means the time required to close the eyelid. Unmesha is time required to open the eyelid. Unmesha, uparutna, that is opening. Our Shastras have given the Kalamana in a very scattered way. Here and there, the references are there. All the scattered references are compiled in this table. So we'll go through the Kalamana. Kalamana usually we use Nimesha, Nimesha or Unmesha in the Netra Kriya Kalpas. Then we use Ahoratra, Muhurta, Aksha, Masa, Rutu, Ayana commonly. Few very rarely used Kalamanas also there, which we go through here. 2 Kshana is equal to 1 Lava, that is 1/6 of wink. 2 Kshana is equal to 1 Lava, 1/6 of a wink. 2 Lava is equal to 1 Nimesha, that is equal to 1 wink, that is 0.73 seconds. 3 Nimesha is equal to 1 Kashta. 30 Kashta is equal to 1 Kala. 1 Muhurta is equal to 20 Kala plus 3 Kashta. So, 2 Kshana is equal to 1 Lava. 2 Lava is equal to 1 Nimesha. 3 Nimesha is equal to 1 Kashta. 30 Kashta is equal to 1 Kala. 1 Muhurta is equal to 20 Kala plus 3 Kashta. 30 Muhurta is equal to 1 Ahoratra, whole day, Ahoratra. Then 1 Yama or Prahara is equal to 3 hours. 1 Yama or Prahara is equal to 3 hours. 15 Ahoratra is equal to 1 Paksha. 15 दिन से एक पक्ष बनता है. Then 2 Paksha is equal to 1 Masa. 1 Masa, it can be equivalent to 30 days or 1 month. 2 Masa is equal to 1 Rutu. 3 Rutu is equal to 1 Ayana, that is 6 months. Dakshinayana or Uttarayana. 2 Ayana, Dakshinayana and Uttarayana together leads to 1 Samvatsara is equal to 1 year or 12 months. 5 Samvatsara is equal to 1 Yuga. 5 years is equal to 1 Yuga. This is about the Kalamana. Up to here, we studied ancient systems of Mana. Now we are going to study contemporary systems of Mana. Present, there are 3 systems in use. They are International System of Units, that is SI unit. It is the modern form of metric system. Second one is British Imperial System. Third one is United States Customary System. The first one is International System of Units, that is SI unit. It is a modern form of metric system. Second one is British Imperial System. Third one is United States Customary System. The commonly 2 systems are in practice. There are 2 systems which are in commonly practiced. One is metric system and the second one is imperial system. Metric system is easier and accepted worldwide, whereas imperial system is used in countries like US, UK, Myanmar and etc. Both the imperial system or the British imperial system and the United States of customary system are derived from the earlier English units. Okay, earlier English units of British Empire. So now we are going to study imperial system. Imperial system, it is a measurement, or the British imperial system is the system of measurement defined in the UK after the Weights and Measurements Act 1824 and 1878. The imperial system or the British imperial system is the system of measurement defined in the UK, United Kingdom after the Weights and Measurement Act 1824 and 1878. These include the measurements which are there in the Britain like inch, pound, gallon, pint, etc. So, what is the imperial system unit? For the length or the distance, imperial system uses feet, yard, mile. For the mass or the weight of the substance, imperial system uses grain, ounce, quarter, stone, pound, ton. For the volume, for the liquid, fluid, ounce, gill, pint, quarter, or and gallon. For the area, acre, square miles, square feet, square inches. So these are the imperial system units. Next one is metric system. Metric system is a system of measurement which uses meter, liter, gram as the base units of length, capacity, and weight respectively. Metric system, what we use commonly, where we use to express the distance, we use meter. To express the capacity of the liquid, we use liter. Then to express the measurement of the solid, we use for the weight of the substance, we use gram. It is based on the decimal system where it includes numbers in powers of 10. So metric system is the system of measurement which uses meter, liter, gram as basic units for length, capacity, and the weight of the substance respectively. It is based on the decimal system where numbers are in powers of 10. So in the next slide, we are going to study about the some metric units. To weigh or to express the mass or the weight of the substance, in the metric system, we use milligrams, centigrams, grams, kilograms, and ton. The abbreviations are given here: milligrams, mg, centigrams, cg, grams, g, kilograms, kg, ton, t. 1 ton is 1 t. Then the measurement of area, the metric units used are square meter, centimeter, square meter, square kilometer, hectare. These are. Next one is capacity measurement metric units are millimeters, centimeters, and liter. Abbreviations are given in the next column. If you remember milligrams, you can write the metric units, you can write the abbreviation as well. Next is metric system conversion chart. We have studied that we came to know that metric system uses the decimal system where the numbers are power of 10. Okay. So here for the measurement of mass, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, 1 hectogram is equal to 100 grams, 1 decagram is equal to 10 grams, 1 milligram is 0.001 gram, 1 centigram is 0.01 gram, 1 decigram is 0.1 gram. Similarly, we can remember measures of liquid and measures of distance. Measures for distance also. Kilometer, hectometer, or kiloliter, hectoliter, we can remember. This is the chart where we use metric systems can be converted into in a easy way. The difference between the metric system and the imperial system. Metric system is widely used, easy for the usage, where we use decimal system of units which are expressed as meters, kilograms, and the second for the length, mass, and time respectively. Imperial system, which is accepted and used in countries like US, UK, Myanmar, Liberia, etc. It includes measurements like inches, feet, miles, yards, pound, etc. In the metric units, the numbers are in the powers of 10. For example, 100 centimeter is 1 meter. 1000 grams is 1 kg. But in the imperial system, there is no any specific pattern to express the imperial system unit. Metric system units contain centimeters, meters, grams, centigrams, liters, kiloliters, etc. In the imperial system, units are inches, feet, ounces, pounds, miles, etc. So here, in the second part of the third syllabus point, what are the things we studied? We studied Kalinga, Pautavamana, and only few things they have given after the Kudava, it is with the Kalingamana expressed, the expressions are similar to that of Magadamana. Then we studied Druvayamana, and Druvayamana is used for liquids. Then we studied Payamana, which is used for to measure or to express the distance. Next we studied Kalamana. Then we studied the contemporary systems of the measurement. Commonly, at present, there are not commonly, at present, there are three systems of measurement are in use. One is international systems of units, that is SI unit. Next one is, it is the modern form of the metric unit, metric system unit. Second one is British imperial system. Third one is United States customary units. At present, only two systems of units are measurements are in use. One is SI in its modern form. The metric system is used, which is, the SI unit is its modern form. Then commonly SI units are used in chemistry, mathematics, but in the day-to-day life we use metric system only. Then next is imperial system, which is used in the Britain, UK, and US, where they use to 1 pound of the bread, 1 gallon of milk, 1 pint of the milk. All these terminologies or the units they use. Whereas in the metric system, we express liter, meter, kilogram, gram. All these units are used to express the measurement. So commonly, metric system is widely accepted all over the world, and it is easy for also. So by this, we conclude the third syllabus point, that is study of ancient and contemporary systems of Mana, units of measurement. So for this, both the video, that is part 1 and part 2, the books and the pages which I referred are Sharangadhara Samhita, Mula Samhita I have referred, Charaka Samhita, Mula Charaka Samhita, Sanskrit book Charaka Samhita, then textbook of Bhaishajya Kalpana by Dr. P. Shekhar Reddy, textbook of Bhaishajya Kalpana by Dr. Ravindra Angadi, and also refer the page qmat.com for the measurement of metric system and the imperial system. Thank you. I believe you understood this topic thoroughly. Thank you. Thank you one and all.